Starting the day. Good morning. How did you sleep? I need to wake up early. I am going to take a shower. What is for breakfast? I'll make some coffee. I need to brush my teeth. Where are my keys? It is time to go. Have a great day. At home. I am hungry. Can you help me? I'm going to clean the room. Please turn off the light. Is the door locked? I am watching TV. I need to do the laundry. Can you pass me the salt? I am tired. I'm going to bed. Out and about. How much does this cost? Where is the bathroom? I would like to buy this. Do you accept credit cards? I am looking for the bus stop. Can you show me on the map? I need to go to the supermarket. It is a beautiful day. Is it far from here? I'm lost. Can you help me? At work or school? How are you today? Nice to meet you. I have a question. Can you repeat that, please? I will finish this later. Let's have a meeting. I am busy right now. What do you think? Thank you for your help. See you tomorrow. Socializing and feelings. What is your name? I like your shirt. I am sorry. It's okay. Don't worry. What do you want to do? I feel happy today. That sounds like fun. Can I call you later? I don't understand. Excuse me.